How to fix element resizing issues in Wix Studio. So as you can see, I have in here this particular section and it has this cohesive part or this cohesive layout. So as you can see, when I change layouts, so for example, on mobile, it's not so cohesive anymore. So what we can do is we can head over and then make sure to stack those together in order to prevent those element resizing issues. Click on to the actual element that you want. I have in here this image. Then hold shift into your keyboard. Then select this other two elements right here. So just continue selecting the elements that you want to actually group together. So I have in here this tree. From there, just head over and click onto this stack option. Now in here, it should be able to stack these elements. So you can head over and then just click onto this other image, then click onto the stack in here in order to group those three. Because if you select all these three all together, they will just be placed into a container. So we need to select the image separately in that case. So as you can see, they've been stacked. So let's see what that will look like into the mobile. So as you can see, it looks like this. So what we can do is we can just head over and then make sure to scale this proportionally. Click onto this inspector icon right here. And then as you can see, the responsive behavior for that is hug. So let's change that. Let's first head over here to our desktop and then choosing here our stack. And then as you see, the responsive is scale. Just click onto this again to the responsive behavior and then just choosing here their options. The option that you can do is you can just resize it right here by yourself. So for example, let's click on to this text right here and then reduce the size for this one. So I have resized it myself into the mobile option. And then when you click right here into your desktop, it will not affect the resizing that we did into our mobile. So that's how you fix element resizing issues in Wix Studio. Hope we help.